Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Webally again. So, as we in the last video, we created a login UI design on Adobe XD. So, in this video, I will let you know about two things. First of all, how you can create a development link in Adobe XD to get the assets, colors, and some few things more about your design. And second thing, I will let you know how you can install a plugin which can export your design into HTML or CSS. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we will start again with our first point. Let's go and create a development link. Okay. As you can see in the menu bar, there are three options: design, prototype, and share. I will let you know about prototype in next tutorials. So by clicking on share button, here you can see in the right side there are share links option. As you can see, there is no link here, so we will create a link. By clicking on the drop down option in view settings, there are 5 options. Basically our tutorial is about development link. I will let you know about other setting in next tutorials. So I will just click on development, downloadable assets. When I check this, I will see assets in my development link. If you don't want to see any asset, just uncheck it. Okay, there is option who has access. If you want the link with no password, just create a link. If you want someone have required password, just click this and add some password. Suppose I want the login UI 1 1 2 3. Okay, login UI 1 2 3 as okay, login UI 1 2 3. Just click on create link, so it will start creating the link. Okay, in this way you can just create a development link and get the things you want for development of your design. Basically, Adobe XD is a vast version of UI UX. So if from this we can create a design and also get some HTML and CSS from this, and also can get uh, colors and fonts our designer used. So this will help a lot in for developers who can create a website, a mobile application, or something else pixel perfect and responsive, because it shows everything accurate as we are seeing on artboard. So if you want any tutorial regarding this, so if you want to see how I created this design, you can see the previous video I uploaded, or you can see in the playlist of Adobe XD. So the link is created. Just click on this icon, copy a link, and go to my browser and just open the link. So here it asks me for the password because I write the password for the production. So I provide the password and just open the design. Okay. So here you can see our design is displayed in the link. Here you can see the name of the artboard. If you want to change the name of the artboard, go on the design and just change the name of the artboard. Okay, and you can update the link. So you can see as we created the development link for this design. So in the right, under this message icon, there is view specs, so you can see development icon. Click on this and you can see all the details of this design. In the first, there is screen details, in which there is viewport size. I will let you know what is viewport. And second, design size, the resolution of iOS 11, or you can say iPhone 11. In the second, there is assets. In this section, all the assets, all the images, or you can say icons, will be shown here. Okay, and in the third section, there is colors. By hovering on colors, as you can see, I hovered on white color and it showed hashtag hexa6. Okay, so gray, light green, etc. In this section, all the colors I have used in my artboard, in my design, it will be shown here. In the fourth section there is character styles, font styles and their sizes. As you can see, there is red head. I just hover on this and in the design there it will be highlighted, okay, as the login form text using 30 pt and the color code and what font varies is both. Okay, so this is the development link of my design. Because I created this is for iOS, so it will only show me these sections in my development link. If I want to have some HTML CSS according to that design, I will create a web UI and then create a development link again in my next tutorials. Okay, so our first task is completed. Let's move to second task. Okay, so in second task we want to export our design in HTML, CSS and some JS. Okay, so for this you have to install a plugin. So in the left sidebar there is some three icons in the bottom. First, second is for layers and first for assets we use, and third is for plugin. That click on plugin. So here I installed this plugin already, so I will let you know how you can install plugin again. So here you can see plugins. In the left sidebar there is web export and advanced export. I will use web export. If you want to download or install the plugin, just click on this plus button and just browse it or click on search icon and just write HTML. Okay, so here after writing HTML in a search bar you will see the searches and results. Okay, here's web export that I already installed, so click on install. There is a button and here is check icon, so click on install and it will be shown here. So I want to export this artboard. Okay, click on this export artboard option. Here it will show me some instructions that it will be look like this: Adobe XD and browser screen. Okay, click on export. Okay, it will be exported. As I already selected the folder, so it will not ask me to select folder. So I will go to my folders. Here is our design. So I will just right click, or you can open this in browser. I double click, so the design will be open in my browser. So as you can see, this is the front design as we have in our artboard. But if you are a developer, you have to check where is its HTML and CSS. Just go and inspect it. After inspecting, you will see everything you can see everything is separated, and the class is already given to them. As you can see, the text to the text already divided in div, and ID is assigned to them. Okay, so as I open in browser, so I want to see the code, so I can open this in any code editor. And suppose I open in Sublime Text, so as you can see, it will show me all the code behind that text. So starting from the top, there is style. In the style tag, all the style, positions, filters and everything else related to design is assigned. So in the bottom there is our HTML in our body tag, in which there is how the design is added. So basically the main tutorial for these two things is that you will let to this for that if you want to provide some material to the developers, you can perform these two tasks. So this will help them a lot. First task is create a development link and share them all the assets, colors, etc. And second is export to HTML. That if they want some HTML or CSS related to the design, they go and just copy and paste it and add in their code and you will get the result. Okay, so if you guys have any questions related to this tutorial, or if you want to ask some other question or query, let me know. I will create a tutorial for you, and thank you. Allah Hafiz.